Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to reset iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch without losing data and without any kind of password. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The only thing that we have to do, launch settings app, then tap general, scroll, find and tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted, and we are not going to use any kind of password. We just tap reset all settings to confirm your action. After tapping reset all setting, iPhone will be restart, and after restart everything is on default setting. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.